Welcome to Greener Genesis. Today we're diving into the world of mushroom farming, perfect for beginners and doable right from your home. If you're ready to start growing your own mushrooms with simple DIY methods, let's get started. Mushrooms don't need sunlight to grow. They thrive in dark, cool, and moist spots, making them ideal for indoor or shaded outdoor setups. We'll walk through two easy methods today, using a mushroom kit and growing on coffee grounds. Let's get started. For absolute beginners, a mushroom kit is the quickest way to success. Kits come with everything prepped, so you just follow a few steps. Locate a dark, cool spot. Choose a cool, dark space like a closet or shaded corner. Keep the substrate moist. Mist your substrate daily to keep it moist. Mushrooms need plenty of humidity to grow. Wait for mushroom pins. In about a week or two you'll see small mushroom pins. Keep misting and soon they'll be ready to harvest. Kits are low commitment and affordable, ideal for beginners. If you're up for a bit more hands-on work, let's try growing mushrooms on coffee grounds. A sustainable and budget-friendly method. After brewing coffee, save the used grounds. You'll need around 5 to 7 cups for a small batch. Order mushroom spawn online. Oyster mushrooms work best with coffee grounds. Mix the spawn with the grounds in a clean container. Poke holes in the lid or use a loose cover to ensure airflow. Place the container in a dark, cool spot and mist daily. In 2 weeks, you'll notice mycelium, white threads indicating growth. A few weeks later, you'll see mushroom pins. Keep misting until they're ready to harvest. Using coffee grounds is eco-friendly, and watching mushrooms grow from used grounds is a rewarding experience. Now that you know 2 methods, here are some tips to keep your mushrooms happy and growing. Keep your substrate moist but not soaked. Mushrooms need humidity but can rot if overwatered. Find a dark, cool location, between 55 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 13 to 18 degrees Celsius, is ideal for most mushrooms. Harvest once fully grown, or they might start to release spores and lose freshness. Here are some common mushroom growing issues and how to fix them. If mushrooms aren't growing, check moisture. Mist more if it's dry, reduce misting if it's too wet. If you notice mold, remove the affected area and ensure good airflow to prevent further mold. Mushrooms are resilient, so if something goes wrong, keep trying. Growing mushrooms at home is fun, sustainable, and rewarding. They're packed with nutrients, low in calories, and taste great in a variety of dishes. Plus, it's a great way to reduce waste and save money. Thanks for joining me for this beginner's guide to mushroom farming. Whether you use a kit or coffee grounds, growing mushrooms is a unique experience anyone can enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DIY tips from Greener Genesis. Happy growing!